In this video, we want to find the natural number n such that 6 factorial times 7 factorial equals n factorial. Let's rewrite 6 factorial as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We're going to leave 7 factorial the same, but the idea is, can we group the factors of 6 factorial so that we can get 8, 9, 10, etc. from it? So the way to do that is to group them correctly. So if we group 4 and 2, that's going to give us 8. And then if we group, let's see, 6, we're going to write it as 3 times 2. If we group 5 and 2, that's going to give us 10. And then 3 and 3 will give us 9. So we have 10, 9, and 8. So that's what happens down here. So we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, which is exactly as saying 10 factorial. So therefore, n has to equal 10. And that's our final answer.